back to our regular scheduled programming of Lively sanctions motions. Lively has now come to the court requesting the court to sanction defendant Jamey Heath for failing to produce what she believes is a complete documentation of the birthing video that she alleges she was shown that constitute a hostile work environment. By her own reference to the original California civil rights complaint, she alleged that Heath started showing her a video of a nude woman whose legs were spread apart, that she thought he was showing her pornography, to which he corrected her and said, no, this is just a video of my wife giving birth. They are saying that the 3-minute, 27-second video of the birth that the Wayfarer Parties produced was allegedly an excerpt of what seems to be a longer video. Well, at least that's what the redacted version of the filing is leading us to believe. As an aside, I think the redactions on this filing are highly suspect, because they are redacting very specific sentences that provide really, really critical information that a reader reading it, the public reading it, can fill in the blanks, but they set you up to fill in the blanks with the way that they want you to think of what it says. Here it appears that they're saying that Heath only produced a portion of a longer part of the video, and that now apparently Lively is contesting that that is the actual video that she was shown. So she's saying the video they produced is not the video that he showed me. It must have been another video or another part of the same video. And now, because I haven't seen that, I am not able to prosecute my hostile work environment claim. BS. How many different angles of a birthing video do you need to recall what it was? By your own allegation, you looked at it for a second. Does it really matter? The Wayfarer Parties admit that a birthing video was shown to Lively, and they produced the birthing video that they admit to showing Lively. But Lively is saying that she needs all 10 angles of the birthing video, all the excerpts, the whole thing, to be able to determine if that was the video that was shown to her. At the end of the day, we have to look at what this is. This is evidence that's being gathered that would be presented to a jury. So what she's essentially saying is that I don't have the correct excerpt of the video. We're not disputing that it was a birthing video, but I don't have the correct angle of the video or the correct part of the video. I'm contesting that. That's an issue of fact that would go to a jury, and then a jury would have to determine who's more credible. Is Jamey Heath saying, I admit to showing this video, more credible than Lively saying, no, it was a different part of the same birthing video? At the end of the day, Wayfarer is not on trial for which video they showed her. There's no contest as to whether or not it was a birthing video. So the question that the jury is going to answer is, did the birthing video, whatever angle or version of it, that same birthing video, did that arise to a hostile work environment for Lively? Keep in mind, there is context that would be provided to the jury. So it was related to filming a scene about birthing. It was not out of context. All of that would be provided to a jury. But here, Lively is trying to cut this at its knees by saying, because I didn't get all of the various versions and angles of this same birthing video, I can't prosecute my claim properly. So court, you should preclude Heath from even uttering anything about the birthing video at trial. So he can't testify about it, he can't defend it, he can't provide his side of the story about it. Nothing. It's precluded. That's what they want. Of course, that's what they want, because they've probably picked up from public sentiment that the showing of a birthing video to an actress who is portraying a birth doesn't exactly smell like sexual harassment. I'm trying to be respectful here, but this is a pretty ludicrous request. No judge in their right mind would say, you cannot testify about this piece of evidence. At worst, he would say, Wayfarer, you need to hand over all the videos that are related to the birth so that Lively can find out which one it was that she saw. And at worst, slap their wrists and give them some monetary sanctions. But to preclude Heath from testifying about the video that he believes he showed, on what grounds? In my humble opinion, that would be an appealable issue for Wayfarer. If the judge, in his discretion, precludes Heath from being able to testify about the video that he is admitting that he showed her because she claims that there's other videos that maybe are the ones that she saw of the same birthing scene, that would be an extension of discretion that would be problematic. Because Wayfarer is not on trial for which specific video they showed her. They're on trial for creating an alleged hostile work environment, one allegation of which was showing a video of a nude woman that Blake Lively thought was pornography. But my question is, why now? Wayfarer must have produced the video months ago during discovery. They must have shown her the video to verify, is this the video that you saw? So they would have known for months if this was the video that she was shown. Why outside of the deadline to move to compel? Why now? Why are they asking for sanctions? Why not wait for a motion in limine before a trial to preclude them from being able to bring this up because it's too prejudicial or what have you? No, it's another motion for sanctions. It's another attempt to create a narrative in the public. But this time they're dragging in someone's wife and someone's child, and I'm sorry, but this is too far for me. I really hope that Wayfarer responds to this and responds hard, because there are now third parties being implicated in this that shouldn't have to be dragged through the mud, through the public, because now Lively has changed her mind about what part of the video she saw.